Set up Anaconda and Jupyter Notebook. Step 1. How to download Anaconda. Go to Google Chrome or any other browser and search Download Anaconda. Click on the first link. It will open Anaconda website. Click on Skip Registration or provide your email to register yourself. When you click on Skip Registration, it will navigate you to another page. Find the suitable version according to your operating system and download it. You can see your downloading progress on top right corner of your browser. Step 2. Install Anaconda. Go to Download folder and click of Anaconda executable file. Anaconda setup window will open. Click on Next button. Read the agreement and click on I agree button. Then select the destination folder where you want to install Anaconda. Anaconda setup window will open. Click on Next button. Read the agreement and click on I agree button. Then select the destination folder where you want to install Anaconda. Then click Next and wait to complete installing process. And then at the end click Finish button. It will take some time to complete process. Time can be vary according to your computer hardware properties. Sit back and wait for completion. Step 3. Open Jupyter Notebook. Go to Windows Search and type Anaconda. Click on Anaconda Navigator. Anaconda is heavy software, so it will take some time to load for the first time. Some black window will also appear during loading process. You don't need to open Anaconda again and again. You can directly access Jupyter Notebook later on. When Anaconda is loaded, you can see different notebook. Find Jupyter Notebook. Click on Launch button. Notebook will open in your browser. When you have opened Notebook once via Anaconda Navigator, then you can open Jupyter Notebook directly by searching its name in Windows Search. A black screen will appear and show some logs, then you will see Notebook in your browser. When Jupyter Notebook open in your browser, it will show all folders from your PC root directory. Find your desired location and start working. Task 4. Set up and manage notebook. When you open new notebook, first task is to change the name of notebook. Name should be clear and related to what you want code. In Jupyter Notebook, a cell can be used to write either code or markdown. To run a cell in Jupyter Notebook, you can use the following methods. 1. Using keyboard shortcuts, Shift+Enter, runs the current cell and moves to the next cell. If no cell exists below, it creates a new one. 2. Using the toolbar, click the Run button on the toolbar. This executes the selected cell. You can convert cell into markdown by pressing Escape key +M. In a Jupyter Notebook, you can create headings in a markdown cell by using the hash symbol. The number of hash symbols determines the heading level. You can easily add paragraphs, images, and tables to create well-structured content. Simply type text as you would in any text editor. In a cell you can write your code. For example, I make a variable name A and assign a value 10 to variable. Then in second line I use print command to print the variable named A. Finally press Shift-Enter to run cell. Thank you for watching video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video.